If you are not using this simple YouTube feature, then you are missing out on one of the quickest and easiest ways to grow your channel right now, and it only takes a couple of minutes. If you have your own YouTube channel, then you probably already know that as your subscriber count grows, you get access to some additional YouTube features. At 100 subscribers, you can unlock your custom URL, and at 500 subscribers, you can unlock something called the Community tab. This feature was first introduced in 2018 as an additional way for YouTube creators to communicate with their audience. With it, you can post updates by text, you can post images or GIFs, and you can even create polls for people to interact with. And what most people don't realize is that this is a really great way to start growing your YouTube audience. Obviously, they're going to show on your channel's community tab, and on mobile, you can see them in the subscriptions feed. But you can now also see community posts on the main YouTube homepage, even when you're not subscribed to those channels. So this is a feature that can let you reach far beyond your subscriber base and increase your views and subscribers as well. And let me show you how. Right now, community posts are essentially being recommended to you in the same way as videos are. For example, if you search for and watch a video about Spider-Man, chances are that you're then going to be recommended videos about the topic of Spider-Man. And now you'll also be shown some polls and community posts based around that same topic, because the YouTube algorithm now understands that this is a topic that you're interested in. And this is where it gets really interesting. If somebody comes across your community post like this and then engages with it, YouTube will most likely start recommending some videos from your channel as well, even if that person isn't subscribed to you. So just think about it. If you can get the attention of people who are interested in the same topics that you make videos about, then this is one of the simplest and easiest ways to get your channel out there. In your YouTube analytics, you can currently track impressions and engagement rates of your posts, meaning that you can see how many times your posts have been shown and how often that has translated into engagement, which is essentially the same as click-through rate for your video thumbnails. I didn't upload any videos on this Veed Creators channel for a whole 2 months, but in that time, I carried on posting a lot of different styles of community posts, and they actually got some really good engagement. I found that using the polls option is particularly effective, mainly because it encourages people to engage with the post by clicking on an option. And obviously, when YouTube sees engagement, they're more likely to push your content out to other people. At Veed, we also have another tutorial channel where we use a mixture of different styles of community posts. And again, even very random polls that don't even have much relevance to the video editing content still seem to perform very well. We also found that it's quite a good idea to test out a few topics that generate some polarizing opinions, and it's always good to add an option to comment below, because this encourages even more engagement with the post. And many of these polls that we posted have reached hundreds of different people. But I will say, for the best growth in terms of getting some views and subscribers, you should probably stick to topics in your community posts that are roughly the same as what you post videos about. Therefore, when YouTube recommends your content to people, they're more likely to click on the video. And the third example is from my personal travel channel, where I've used a slightly different method with some much more mixed results. On this channel, I mainly use posts to promote my latest upload, because sometimes people miss videos in their subscriptions feed, so a few days later I'll write a post about it. Now, normally for this, I'll just write out a text post and include a link to the video within that text, but for better results, I normally attach an image as well. From what I've seen, posts with images seem to perform much better than solely text-based posts, because they take up more space on screen, especially on mobile. And purely text-based posts or direct links are definitely the worst performing style of community posts, so I would avoid them if I was you. So overall, YouTube community posts are quick to write, you can schedule them in bulk, and it's completely free once you reach 500 subscribers. So what are you waiting for? Thank you so much for watching this video all the way until the end. If you did, make sure you leave the word orange in a comment down below, and you can also leave this video a like and subscribe, because it really does help us to grow, and I'll see you guys in the next one.